50 love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that.
Hey, my wonderful and fabulous Tame Raiders. It's me, Fashion Tamer, extra dirty Tame Raider. It's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a makeup tutorial. And yes, if you notice, I do have on the same clothes as I did as the eyebrow video, because I was like, I'm getting ready and I might as well give you guys what you guys been asking for. So this eyeshadow tutorial is literally the same to the look that I did in my Shein pre-fall haul, because everybody and their mama kept asking me about that yellow. So I'm going to show you guys how I got that yellow right now. So it's actually a really simple look. So right now, brows done, shadows done, contouring is done. I still have on my setting powder because when I do this look, sometimes I get a little fallout, but I usually keep my setting powder still right there. So that way when I dust it off, it's fully gone and I don't have to do anything extra. So if you wanted to know, that yellow that you guys have been seeing comes from the Wahala Palette from Juvia's place. And it is this real pretty yellow. And it's called Oversabi, which I'm starting to hit pan, which sucks. But it's literally this yellow right here, and there is a trick on how I do it. So I'm going to take my NYX, this is a blending brush. This is actually one of my favorite brushes by them. And I'm literally going to swirl it. Just swirl, 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 swirl. Swirl as much as you possibly can. And we're literally going to tap that yellow on top of that lid. And we're going to pack as much yellow as we possibly can on top of that lid, covering it as much as possible. So we're gonna do the same on this one. But if you can tell, like, that Wahala palette, literally, like, when I say it gets you right, especially on this yellow, honey. So we're gonna take a little bit more and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Pack it on. As you notice, I am not blending yet. We are packing the product on because I'm going to show you how we spread the product to look like it's more than one color. And just that tap, like, I cannot stress that enough. Tap that color in there, tap. Okay, so when you've tapped enough, you are going to go to your Morphe palette. This is the Oh Boy 25D palette. And there is a color in here that, as you've noticed, I have hit pen on. I swirl that around, get the rest of that residue right there. And I put this on top where my brow bone and then the shadow would meet. I put that right there. And I literally blend it, get all up underneath that brow bone and just blend. This is when you blend. So we're going to swirl that again, and that's all you need. Take that, hit that right there, start it, and then blend. Blend. The most happiest words that you will ever hear in life. Blend. And that's literally it, you guys. I promise you, that's it. I put on my eyeliner and some lashes and finish the rest of the face, and that is legit it. But that's literally how easy it is. Sometimes when you're doing it, you can look at it and be like, oh, I want to add a little bit of extra yellow. So you can go in and, honey, tap in some extra yellow. Just tap in a little bit of extra yellow, because when everything oxidizes, it oxidizes perfectly. And that's it, honeybees. That is it. Look, that's it. That's That's it. That's literally how easy the look. It's the most easiest look that I can ever do. It's my go-to look. Sometimes it's my Sunday's face, and sometimes it's my work look too. But yes, if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.